learning goal. I will solve an equation with variables on both sides. Notice that on the left, I have an expression of the equal sign, and on the right of the equal sign, I also have an expression. So we're going to treat each of these sides individually. So on the left, what can I do to simplify the left? Well, on the left, I notice that I have 12 positive x's and 2 negative x's. So I have 12 positives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I have 2 negatives. So I have 2 negatives. So I make some 0 pairs, and I'm left with 10 positives. So I'm going to be left with, these two came together, 10 positive x's, and those 2 negative 2 units that I have not touched. Now, I'm done with the left. Now I'm going to move over to the right. So, put my equal sign. On the right, I see that I have some units, 5 negative units and 2 negative units. So again, I'm going to do some side work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 more. Here, I cannot make 0 pairs because they're all the same kind. So that means I have 7 negatives. So I bring down my 5x, and I bring down these two come together because they have the same sign, -7. All right, the left is simplified, the right is simplified. Now, what can I do to solve for x? Well, I notice that on both sides, I have x's. And I can take 5 x's from here and 5 x's from here. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 5x, subtract 5x from the left and the right. I'm being fair, so I can remove 5x. So I'm left with 5x and -2. And on the other side, I'm left with -7. Well, you might ask, well, what happened to these x's? These x's ended up making a 0 pair. So those are gone to the world of 0. Okay, now how do I get rid of these -2 units so I can get closer to getting my 5x's by themselves? Well, I'm going to add 2 positive units to each side. And that leaves me now with my 5x's that I haven't done anything with. And these two become a 0 pair. So these are gone again to the world of 0. Equal to, notice how organized I'm being with my equal signs. -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2 positives. 0 pair, 0 pair. So I'm left with 5 negatives. All right, so 5 x's equal 5 negatives. So that means each x is going to get how many units? Well, if we divide both sides by 5, 5 divided by 5 is 1, so there's my 1x, yes, that has an invisible 1, equal -5 divided by 5 is a -1. Therefore, x equals -1.